She's gonna take it anyway, aren't
She's gonna go urinate. Video 2 time.
Yes,
Time to talk crap. Okay,
Okay,
so
that's messed up.
here is the dirt on her. I got
Here, watch me walk away.
big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. YouTube. I have one little big word for that. YouTube. See how much that thing bounces? You. Warning, hair when laying down does not end up cute. Oh look, Taylor Swift. Whoa, hey. Yeah, well anyways, big booty over there. As a boyfriend, oh my god. I think you probably heard the last one, but yeah. And they love each other. Whoa, but someone hates me. Who cares? Ha ha. Big booty is my best friend. Or is she? I forget. Big booty. That sounds familiar. You what? I think she might be. Does she have a big booty? Yeah, she's my best friend. She eats all my candy. And now I'm going to tell you her big secret. And that was her big secret.
Dude, you still